Okay, here we go. An unboxing. And this is Terminator related. So, I got this for £23 on eBay, second hand. And to get them new, anything from £40 to £80. So, wasn't too bad a price. And very fast shipping from this eBay seller, so very pleased. I haven't seen this in person yet. It's always good to have, or good to receive, items from a customer that looks after the items they're selling by packaging them well, and good communication skills. So, very happy so far. So there we go, Terminator Vault. Now, it's not in perfect condition, but that's not a problem. As long as we get all the details in there. So that's the front. That is the back. And that's the spine. And that's just the cover. So there we go. Let's have a quick look through. So there's plenty of bits and bobs, and there's some collector's pieces in there. It's nice. Yeah, and a letter, and all in acetate. Cyberdyne logo there, great. I particularly wanted to get this just to help reference the Terminator build. But yeah, it's one of my favourite films, Terminator 2. But this does cover, I believe, both films. Terminator 1 and Terminator 2. So, without going through it all, you can see the sort of quality that you're getting. So, there you go. Very interesting. Hope you enjoyed that little quick unboxing of the Terminator Vault. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.